Fujimi kit, Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG from Hero Boy. I guess that's how you pronounce it. That is a cool looking car. I'm going to have to do this in an interesting colour, something bright, orange or bright green, I think. So let's take a look inside. So here's the box. Oop. Let's see, some glass that looks like for the front headlights, back headlights. Some more glass. Some good quality glass actually. This looks like the windscreen, rear screen, first sprue, looks like the wing, some body parts, headlight parts, wing parts. Let's see, here's the chassis, white sprue, looks like body parts. Okay, here's the tub for the interior. It's got a roll cage. Oh, it's a track day car. Okay. Seat, more roll cage. Steering wheel. A little PE kit. What we got here? And some decals. Brake discs. Grills. Mercedes logo. Seat belt. Some tyre decals. That's great. This was not an expensive kit again. Let's see, what's this? This is for the photo etch parts, installation. It's always helpful, don't get that in every kit. Okay, here's the body. Looks like a few bits to glue on before priming and painting. What else we got? Some chrome parts, brakes, engine bits, brake discs, some tyres, slicks, some wheels. Depending on the colour I do. If I do something bright, I might dechrome these and do them in black. We will see. And last sprue is the brakes and brake discs. Instruction manual. And let's see, it is 13 pieces, 13 parts. So not an in-depth instruction booklet. So yeah, let's see how this comes out. It'll be interesting to see which colour I pick. Thanks.
bitches love cake.